So here we are, I think day 7 now. Was in the hospital there yesterday, and that wasn't fun, but relatively minor situation just due to that constipation. So I said I'd get the prescription I got, and it's over counter, just a recommendation really. So it's the Senokot, and there was one with the Senokot and one with the Senokot-S, and the way my doctor had typed it or written it out was it had the S. So this is the one we got. So I'm taking 4 tablets of this a day and 1 serving, a 17-gram once daily dose of this stuff. So I took that last night. I haven't taken it yet. I'm just doing 1 a day. So obviously every 24 hours. And then good old prune juice. So unsweetened, it doesn't taste that great, but it's better than the alternative. So everything's going well, just relaxing in here. And I also got my prescription filled now. They were closed last night when we went to get the other stuff, but the pharmacy was closed. And so it's oxycodone, which it's a 5 milligrams of oxycodone, and I believe 325 milligrams of acetaminophen. So that'll reduce the amount of narcotics going in my body and chance for constipation, because I'm still going to have to flush out a lot of what's still in here, I believe. But that's working really well. And it'll just minimize the chances of having this happen again. Of course, I'm going to be drinking prune juice till I'm for at least 6 weeks here. It's not that bad, and I guess it's probably healthy for you. There's nothing really added to it. But anyway, so day 7 is going pretty well. I'm back in my little spot here, not just watching TV and not doing anything. Just got a call from the benefits administrator, and so they've approved my claim, and through my job, don't have to worry about the financial part. I mean, we would be okay anyways, but now I just don't take a shit kicking financially just because I needed to get this done. So that was nice. I just got that call right before I started doing this. So that was good to know. And I'm doing well. Everything's good. Managing the pain again, and just starting on those new drugs. And apart from, everything that happened yesterday, everything's still on track, and we're good to go. So I will give you an update tomorrow.